Dear viewers, today I will talk to you about advanced manufacturing technology and system. It's most important uh, industrial engineering and production management. Advanced manufacturing technology and system is most important matters uh, in industrial engineering and manufacturing engineering. Introducing technology are resource and maximum imports and not any production and operation, but also their organization profitable technologies that drive to change. In this world, technology influence both competitive position, competitors of the organization in particular, and their nation in the general technology, changing and faster rate, and this rapid change technology are posing and many problems and challenges to the organization. The rate upon have integrated and company technology status, business status, information technology, IT change, um, how many technologies change in our world advanced manufacturing. Challenging facing the organization is the most important uh, uh, keyword. Manufacturing challenging phase for the survival and growth. Organization have to be responsive and change that are taking place. uh, Quality revelation, reducing life cycle and product etc. The main challenge that organization have to face are: number one, quality expression of the customer about product service at their shape, increasing with a demand for higher reliability, safety, rapid change in technology, make the accessing manufacturing influence and out that. Actually, our technology growth, always growth. The early production activities were dependent human effort, consolidation process, and provide energy, receive computers, automatic storage system, IT, automatic guide vessel, computer controlling, advanced manufacturing, and just in time manufacture, JIT, computer aid design and computer aid manufacturing, CADCAM, robotics. How many factories use robotics technologies for manufacture. Computer integrated manufacturing system, CIMS, flexible manufacturing system, FMS, optimized production technology, OPT, agile manufacturing, land manufacturing, integrated manufacturing and activities for production focusing, design focusing, management function, strategic planning function, plan and draw the product apart as production activity, making a stage issue, many more. The framework above the fundamental function in manufacturing industries is the representative this figure. Okay guys, see this figure. External information, then management planning, then factory planning, production planning, sales planning, layout design, research and development, it's a most important matters. uh, Design CDA, process planning, scheduling, supplier, uh, procurement, RM, production CMA, distribution sales, controllers, quality and process, flow and strategies, management information, flow of management information, flow of technology information, flow of materials. Production in function is a key activities and manufacturing industries production um, and assembly production engineering introducer and series of the unity operation process storage warehouse become final product. This is a referred a design function, design and process assembly and part of drawings a product to be manufactured and decide productive to which produce pressing pelling and some something else. Management function establish master plan, determine product mix and amount to be manufactured, production planning according to the long term forecast, marketing and sales planning, a schedule and prepared base UPAN plan, scheduling, the control specs included process control, quality control and cost control. This is series of all the information flow, um, managerial information. Okay, then I'm go next page. Actually, computer aided design CDA, computer aided design in approach product and process design, they utilize and power of computer influence and computer the correct design drawing and product module CDA character product and computer aid computer aid engineering CAE as simply simplified the correction database correction generation storage mm, uh, uh, NC data in CAD drawing board replaced by the electronic input and output device and electronic plotter arts section inspection and mathematically define the grommet when working a CDA system designer and can construction object element design analysis and optimize design analysis and optimize once and the graph model in correct to the design analysis and engineering. This is a phase many concept of the analysis status definition and other parameters barriers because relative is the which such analysis can be made design are incredibly willingly of technology document and drafting. Okay, see this draft need recognition problem definition synthetics analysis optimization evaluation presentation grommet modeling engineering analysis design review and analysis automatic drafting computer aid manufacturing CMA computer aid manufacturing use the computer and computer technology they assist in all phase and manufacture product include process production planning machine scheduling management quality control base and benefit CAD, CMA are often the combined and CDA system communication allow transfer information, design, planning, manufacture product without need to manually resend the geometric models, database, developer, and to many more. So, computer aided process cost estimating computer aided process planning computer is machine stable and data system computer assisted NC part program computer aided line balancing topical application CDA includes program in for ANSI, CNC, and industrial robots, design of die and models for casting, die for material working operation, design of the tooling, quality control, inspection, such an coordinator, measuring machine programmed on CDA, CMA workation. So, interrogative in product modeling, machine database, machine language, robotic language, process planning, machining, industrial robots, assembly section, products in inspection, computer aid process planning, variant CEA system, general cap system, benefit and CPA. Standardization and product of the process, product process planning, resulting reduce lead time, reduce planning cost, increasing efficiency, and constant of product quality and reliability. Process plan and rule can be properly more equal. Actually, as advanced manufacturing technologies, many more basis idea, challenging facing organization growth, technology, advanced manufacturing and integrate manufacturing, computer aid design, computer aid manufacturing, computer aid process planning, computer integrate manufacturing, land production and allied manufacturing and manufacturing excellency. Okay, so today in my video I'm coming, next time I will bring you a better video, and this time you will be a little better. Don't out without marks, and to be good, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye. Till then, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.